Imagine being able to start investing right now, using nothing but your phone and as little as $10. No complicated paperwork, no financial advisor, and no thousands of dollars needed to begin. Just a simple app that lets you buy stocks or crypto in minutes. The truth is, we live in a time where building wealth is easier than ever. Yet most beginners never start because they feel overwhelmed. Maybe you've thought about investing before but didn't know which app to trust. Maybe you've seen people making money in stocks or crypto and wondered if you're already too late. Or maybe you're worried about losing your hard-earned money because you don't understand how investing works. And that's exactly why choosing the right investing app matters. Because the wrong app can confuse you, charge hidden fees, or make investing feel complicated, while the right app can make investing simple, safe, and even automatic. Today there are apps designed specifically for beginners that allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can own pieces of big companies even if you only have a small amount of money. And there are also apps that let you invest in cryptocurrency with just a few taps on your screen. Some apps even invest your money automatically, so you don't have to be an expert to get started. But here's the problem. There are hundreds of investing apps out there, and most beginners end up choosing the wrong one. That mistake can cost you time, money, and confidence. In this video, I'm going to show you the best investing apps for beginners, including the easiest apps for stock investing, the safest apps for buying crypto, and the simplest apps if you want your money invested automatically. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which investing app is right for you and how you can start investing today, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. Because the biggest difference between people who build wealth and people who don't is simple. Investors start early, and today you're going to learn how to start the smart way. Why beginners need investing apps. For decades, investing used to feel like something only wealthy people could do. You had to call a broker, fill out complicated forms, and sometimes deposit thousands of dollars just to open an account. That alone stopped millions of people from ever starting. But today, investing has completely changed. Modern investing apps have removed the barriers that once made investing difficult, and now almost anyone can begin building wealth directly from their smartphone. Instead of needing thousands of dollars, many apps allow you to start with as little as $10 or $20. This means investing is no longer limited to professionals or high-income earners. Beginners now have access to the same markets that were once reserved for experienced investors. Another reason investing apps are important for beginners is simplicity. Most beginner investors feel overwhelmed by financial terms like portfolios, diversification, or market volatility. Traditional platforms often look complicated and intimidating, which makes people hesitate. Investing apps are designed to solve this problem by making everything simple and easy to understand. You can see your investments, your profits, and your losses in one place without needing advanced knowledge. This simplicity helps beginners feel confident and stay consistent. Investing apps also make it easier to start small and grow gradually. Instead of risking a large amount of money at once, beginners can invest small amounts regularly. For example, investing $50 every month might not seem like much, but over time it can grow significantly. This approach reduces risk and helps beginners learn without feeling pressured. Another huge advantage is accessibility. With investing apps, the stock market and crypto market are available 24 hours a day. You don't need to wait for appointments or visit offices. You can invest whenever you want, whether it's during a lunch break or late at night. Most importantly, investing apps help beginners take action. Many people spend years thinking about investing but never actually start. Apps remove the excuses by making the process fast and convenient. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, beginners can start immediately and learn along the way. The biggest mistake new investors make is waiting too long, and investing apps solve that problem by making starting easier than ever before. What makes a good investing app? Not all investing apps are good for beginners, and choosing the wrong app can make investing confusing and frustrating. That's why it's important to understand what makes an investing app beginner-friendly. The first thing beginners should look for is simplicity. A good investing app should be easy to understand from the moment you open it. You should be able to see your balance, investments, and performance clearly without needing technical knowledge. If an app looks complicated or overwhelming, it may discourage you from investing consistently. Another important factor is low fees. Many beginners don't realize how much fees can affect their investments. Some platforms charge trading fees, account fees, or hidden costs that slowly reduce your profits. A beginner-friendly investing app should have low or zero commissions, so more of your money stays invested. Even small fees can add up over time, so choosing a low-cost app is extremely important. Fractional shares are another key feature beginners should look for. In the past, if a stock cost hundreds of dollars, you needed that full amount to invest. Today, many apps allow you to buy fractional shares, which means you can invest small amounts in expensive companies. This allows beginners to diversify their investments even with limited money. Security is also essential. When choosing an investing app, beginners should make sure the platform is trusted and regulated. Your money and personal information should always be protected. A reliable investing app uses strong security measures to protect accounts from hackers and fraud. Educational tools are another major advantage. The best investing apps include guides, tutorials, and simple explanations that help beginners learn. Investing is a skill, and learning while investing helps build confidence. Finally, beginners should avoid apps with complicated features that encourage risky trading. Some platforms focus on short-term trading instead of long-term investing. Beginners should look for apps that encourage steady and responsible investing instead of gambling-style behavior. The right app should make investing feel simple, safe, and manageable from the very beginning. Best stock investing apps. When it comes to stock investing, beginners need apps that are simple, reliable, and affordable. One of the most popular beginner-friendly platforms is Robinhood. Robinhood became famous because it introduced commission-free trading and a very simple design. Beginners can buy and sell stocks quickly without paying trading fees, which makes it attractive for people just starting out. The interface is clean and easy to understand, allowing users to track their investments without confusion. However, Robinhood offers limited research tools, which means beginners may need to learn from other sources as well. Another excellent option for beginners is Fidelity Investments. Fidelity is one of the most trusted investment companies in the world and offers a wide range of tools for long-term investors. Unlike simpler apps, Fidelity provides research reports and educational materials that help beginners make informed decisions. The platform is designed for investors who want to build wealth over time rather than trade frequently. Fidelity also allows fractional share investing, making it accessible for beginners with small budgets. Charles Schwab is another strong choice for beginner investors. Schwab combines professional-level features with beginner-friendly tools. It offers educational content, customer support, and low-cost investing options. Beginners who want to learn while investing often find Schwab useful because of its learning resources. Each of these apps has strengths depending on the investor. Some beginners prefer simple apps where they can start quickly, while others prefer platforms with more information and support. The best stock investing app is the one that matches your personal goals and comfort level. The most important thing is not choosing the perfect app, but choosing a reliable app and getting started. Stock investing is one of the most proven ways to build wealth over the long term, and these beginner-friendly platforms make it easier than ever to begin. Best crypto investing apps. Cryptocurrency has become one of the most popular investments in recent years, especially among beginners. Many people are interested in crypto because it offers the potential for high returns and allows investors to participate in new financial technology. However, buying cryptocurrency safely requires choosing the right platform. One of the most beginner-friendly crypto platforms is Coinbase. Coinbase is known for its simple interface and easy setup process. Beginners can create an account and buy cryptocurrency in just a few minutes. The app explains different cryptocurrencies in simple terms, which makes learning easier. This simplicity makes Coinbase one of the safest starting points for new crypto investors. Another major crypto platform is Binance. Binance offers lower trading fees and access to a larger variety of cryptocurrencies. While Coinbase focuses on simplicity, Binance provides more features for investors who want flexibility. This makes Binance attractive for beginners who want to explore different crypto options. Crypto investing can be exciting, but it also involves risk. Prices can rise and fall quickly, and beginners should be careful not to invest more than they can afford to lose. A good crypto investing app should make buying and selling easy, while also providing strong security. Security is especially important in cryptocurrency investing. Beginners should choose platforms that use strong protection methods like two-factor authentication. This helps protect accounts from unauthorized access. Crypto apps make it possible for beginners to enter the cryptocurrency market without technical knowledge. Instead of dealing with complicated systems, users can buy crypto with a few taps on their phones. For beginners, the best approach to crypto investing is starting small and learning gradually. Crypto can be part of a diversified investment strategy, but it should not be the only investment. Choosing a reliable crypto app helps beginners invest safely while gaining experience. Best apps for automatic investing. Many beginners want to invest but feel unsure about choosing stocks or deciding when to invest. Automatic investing apps solve this problem by managing investments for you. These apps are ideal for beginners who want a simple and hands-off approach. One popular automatic investing app is Acorns. Acorns invests small amounts of money automatically by rounding up everyday purchases. For example, if you buy something for $4.50, the app rounds it up to $5 and invests the extra 50 cents. Over time, these small investments can grow into larger amounts. This approach makes investing feel effortless. Another popular automatic investing platform is Betterment. Betterment uses technology to create and manage investment portfolios automatically. Users answer a few simple questions about their goals and risk tolerance, and the platform builds a portfolio designed for long-term growth. This removes the need for beginners to research individual investments. Automatic investing helps beginners stay consistent. Instead of trying to time the market, money is invested regularly. This strategy reduces stress and helps build good financial habits. Another advantage of automatic investing apps is discipline. Many beginners stop investing when markets become uncertain. Automatic investing continues regardless of market conditions, which helps investors stay focused on long-term growth. These apps are ideal for people who want to invest but do not want to spend hours learning about markets. Automatic investing makes wealth building simple and manageable. How to choose the right app? Choosing the right investing app depends on your goals, budget, and comfort level. There is no single app that is perfect for everyone. The best app for you is the one that fits your needs and helps you invest consistently. The first step in choosing an app is deciding what you want to invest in. If you want to invest in stocks for long-term growth, a stock investing app may be the best choice. If you are interested in cryptocurrency, then a crypto app may be more suitable. Some investors prefer using both. Another important factor is ease of use. Beginners should choose apps that feel simple and comfortable. If an app feels confusing, it may discourage regular investing. Budget is another key consideration. Some beginners start with small amounts of money, so apps that allow small investments are ideal. Fractional shares and low minimum investments make investing accessible. Risk tolerance also matters. Some beginners prefer safe and steady growth, while others are comfortable with higher risk. Choosing an app that matches your risk level helps you stay confident. Support and education are also important. Beginners should look for apps that offer tutorials and learning materials. Investing becomes easier when you understand what you are doing. The most important decision is simply starting. Many people spend too much time comparing apps instead of investing. The perfect app does not exist, but a good beginner-friendly app can help you begin your investing journey. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So now you've seen the best investing apps for beginners, and more importantly, you understand how simple it can be to start investing today. Remember, you don't need thousands of dollars, and you don't need to be a financial expert. All you really need is the right app and the decision to begin. The people who build wealth aren't the ones who wait for the perfect moment. They're the ones who start early and stay consistent. Even small investments made regularly can grow into something powerful over time, but only if you take that first step. So instead of just watching videos about investing, make today the day you actually begin. Now I want to hear from you. Go down into the comments and tell me which app are you going to try first. Your answer might even help someone else who's just getting started. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more videos like this. And if you want to learn how to invest step by step and build real wealth over time, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. The next video will help you take the next step in your investing journey, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Start small, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.